Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to TechKC. Today in this video, I'll tell you how to hide your private photos in Android. So that too with built-in app. No need to install any third-party app. Okay. Due to the privacy reasons, we'll all have some private photos which we want utmost priority or security. That you can do with this Google Files app. See, first of all, this is Motorola Mobile. For my Motorola Mobile, the default file manager app is this Google Files app. Not only this mobile, most of the mobiles nowadays comes with this as the file manager, the default file manager. So open this. Okay, here I'll just filtering it to images. Okay, see here, images. So say for example I'll a long press. Okay, give a long press and select the pictures you want to hide. So I selected 4 photos, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and now you can click on these 3 dots and there is a option called, see here, move to save folder. Click on this move to save folder. So here you can set a pin. By default this pin is 0000. Okay, by default, if you don't change. If you want to change, I'll tell you how you can change the password at the end. Okay, for now I have set my password to 1234. This is just for the tutorial purpose. Anyway, I'm going to change that. Okay, click on next. Yeah, so those 4 files will not be available in the gallery app, not even in the camera app. Say for example, if I open the camera, if I open my recent photos, okay, those pictures won't be available anywhere. Okay, as they are got hidden. So where is my files app? Yeah, files app here. So how can I get them back in if I want to access them back? So let us go to the home page. See here at the bottom you will find this save folder option. Maybe I can zoom it. Save folder, and it will ask the pin, right? 1 2 3 4. Click on next. See here, there are 4 photos available here. As earlier I mentioned that by default the save folder lock will be 0000. If I want to change, because this we are doing to hide our private photos, right? So for that you need to click on these 3 bars and then click on the settings. Okay, click on the settings and scroll down until you find this save folder and click on the change lock option and enter the current password. And for you the current password will be 0000. For me it is 1234 and click on next. And now it is asking me to set a new pin. Now I'm going to set a new pin. Anyway, I'm not going to record that. Yeah, if you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. And if this is helpful for your privacy concerns, means to hide your private photos or important photos in the save folder, if you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like. That would be a great help for me. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.